Hello, world travelers. Welcome back to Footprints Across Lands, your go-to channel for luxury travel, exclusive experiences, and once-in-a-lifetime adventures. Imagine visiting a world-famous theme park but instead of waiting in endless lines, searching for the best dining spots and running around trying to fit everything into one day. You're whisked through VIP entrances, taken straight to the best rides, and treated like a celebrity the entire time. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury VIP theme park experiences, where skipping lines isn't just about saving time, it's about experiencing the park in a way most people never will. So, is it worth it to pay for the ultimate VIP treatment at the world's most popular theme parks? Let us find out. Luxury VIP theme park experiences. Skipping lines in style. A theme park VIP experience isn't just about skipping lines, it's about transforming an ordinary visit into something truly extraordinary. From private tour guides to behind-the-scenes access, luxury dining, and even after-hours park experiences. These premium services redefine what it means to visit a theme park in style. Let's take a look at the most exclusive VIP experiences in the world's top theme parks and see if they're worth the price. 1. Disney's Private VIP Tour, the ultimate way to experience Magic Kingdom. When it comes to luxury theme park experiences, Disney's VIP Tour is one of the most famous. It's the best way to experience Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, or Animal Kingdom without the usual crowds and long waits. What's included? A private tour guide who customizes your day based on your favorite rides and attractions, unlimited front-of-all-line access to all rides and shows, private transportation between parks, skipping the need for buses or monorails, exclusive behind-the-scenes access to restricted areas of the parks. Price: $450 $900 per hour, with a minimum of 7 hours required. Covers up to 10 guests per tour group. VIP perks. Skip every line in the park, even for the most popular rides. Get VIP seating for parades, fireworks, and live shows. Customize your entire itinerary. Go from Star Wars Rise of the Resistance to Tron Light Cycle run in minutes. Is it worth it? For families who want to experience Disney stress-free, this is the ultimate way to visit the parks. It's expensive, but if you want the best of Disney without wasting time, it's absolutely worth it. 2. Universal Studios Hollywood VIP Experience. The red carpet treatment. Universal Studios Hollywood offers an exclusive VIP experience that lets you explore the park like a true celebrity. What's included? Unlimited front-of-line access to all rides. A private guided tour, including backstage access to real film sets. Breakfast and gourmet lunch in an exclusive VIP lounge. Access to restricted areas of the working Universal backlot. Price starts at $369 for $199 per person depending on the season. VIP perks. Get an exclusive look at Universal's real Hollywood soundstage. Enjoy a 5-star dining experience inside the park. Have no wait times for any ride including Jurassic World, Harry Potter, and The Simpsons ride. Is it worth it? If you love movies, behind-the-scenes experiences, and avoiding lines, this VIP tour is one of the best value luxury experiences at any theme park. 3. Disneyland's Club 33. The most exclusive Disney experience in the world. Club 33 is Disney's most secret and luxurious dining experience. It's one of the hardest memberships to get. What's included? Access to an ultra-exclusive fine dining restaurant hidden inside Disneyland. Luxury meals, private lounges, and balcony seating for fireworks. Personalized service and interactions with Disney characters. How do you get in? Membership costs $33,000 upfront, plus $15,000 per year. You must be invited or recommended by a current member. Is it worth it? For most people, this is a dream experience rather than a realistic one. But if you ever get the chance to dine at Club 33, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. For Ferrari World's VIP experience, the fastest theme park on Earth. Ferrari World Abu Dhabi is home to Formula Rossa, the fastest roller coaster in the world, and it offers an ultra-luxury VIP experience. What's included? VIP priority access to all rides and attractions. A real Ferrari driving experience on Yas Marina Circuit. Personal concierge and luxury lounge access. Price: VIP packages start at $600, $1,200 per person. Is it worth it? If you're a luxury traveler who loves speed and high-end cars, Ferrari World's VIP package is an unparalleled experience. 5. Tokyo Disney Resort's Royal Dream Tour. A fairy tale VIP experience. Tokyo Disney Resort's Royal Dream Tour is an exclusive once-in-a-lifetime Disney experience. What's included? A private Disney guide, taking you through Disneyland and Disney's immediate access to every ride including Toy Story Mania and Journey to the Center of the Earth. Personalized meet-and-greets with Disney characters. VIP seating for shows and nighttime spectacles. Price costs around $1,500 per person, depending on the package. Is it worth it? For those who want to see Disney Japan in the most magical way possible, it's an unforgettable experience. 6. Warner Brothers World, Abu Dhabi's private VIP tour, the ultimate movie fan experience. Warner Brothers World is one of the most immersive theme parks in the world, offering private VIP tours for those who want the red carpet treatment. What's included? A personal tour guide and front-of-the-line access to every ride. Private dining with DC superheroes like Batman and Wonder Woman. Behind-the-scenes access to park operations and design. Price VIP packages start at $500 per person. Is it worth it? If you're a DC or Warner Brothers fan, this premium tour brings your favorite movies to life in a way regular park guests never get to experience. Final verdict. Are VIP theme park experiences worth it? Worth it if you want. Zero waiting in lines and a completely stress-free experience. Behind-the-scenes access and exclusive perks. A once-in-a-lifetime way to experience your favorite theme parks. Not worth it. If you're on a tight budget VIP, experiences are expensive. You enjoy exploring theme parks at a slower, more relaxed pace. You're happy with standard ticket experiences and don't mind some waiting. Would you spend the extra money for a luxury VIP theme park experience? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive travel content from Footprints Across Lands. See you on the next adventure.